Describe your experience when you changed your school or college. Why did you change? When was it? Was that helpful? What were the consequences after that? From kindergarten to 10th grade, I studied in a school called Little Flower School. So all the teachers and the support staff knew me by my name by the time I reached the secondary school. I felt at home there. However, in 1998, I had to change the school after completing grade 10, as Little Flower provided education only till the 10th standard. They neither had the facilities nor the teachers for 11th and 12th grades. So, in the last 2 years of my schooling, I had to attend another school called NR High School. Initially, it was an unnerving experience. I hardly knew anybody, so I felt out of place there. Though the teaching staff and other amenities were as good as my previous school, the culture was completely different. Whilst in Little Flower, the main focus was education and discipline, in NR, sports was given more importance. Moreover, the students in NR did not hesitate to play a prank on someone even during the class. For a conservative person like me, it was not only unacceptable but also unbelievable. My parents knew I was not enjoying the new school, so they provided pickup and drop off service for the first few weeks. This was to ensure that I did not bunk the school. Eventually, I accepted the reality and started to open up at the school by talking with other students sitting next to me. I made a few friends, and then life became a bit more pleasant. In 3 months' time, I started feeling more comfortable and look forward to going to the school every day. I believe this was a turning point in my life as I came out of my shell and experienced a different world. My personality changed completely. It could have been because I was still a teenager, but I would like to give the credit to the school. Apart from that, after 12th, it was easy to get admission into one of the best commerce colleges of my city as NR High School was affiliated to it. In hindsight, I think all that happens for good. Thank you for watching this video. For more IELTS related videos, please subscribe to the Revise Academy YouTube channel.